for Manchester, Bedford, and Litchfield.
Sunshine along with a few clouds for today. It will be a very pleasant day. It will turn breezy this afternoon with a high temperature of 74. Mostly clear this evening when clouds move in late, low 55. Tomorrow, periods of rain likely, highs near 65. And on Sunday, warmer, sunshine, some clouds, high 76. I'm Mike Ellis for 99.9 and AM 1370. WFEA.
Samantha Bee is coming to the Capitol Center for the Arts in Concord on Saturday, May 20th. Samantha Bee's unique and sharp comedic voice was made famous by her 12-year run as a regular on The Daily Show. That's the longest stint in the history of The Daily Show. And, of course, her hysterical weekly late-night comedy series, Full Frontal, that ran for 7 seasons.
I'm sure it went good. They were cooking food.
Yeah, and we got food.
That's right.
I love what he does.
All right, let's check in with our friend Andy. Good morning, Andy.
Good morning, Peter.
How are you this morning? Were you up late last night?
Yeah, I'm up late most nights.
Oh, okay. All right. Well,